What is up, van lifers? How is everybody doing? What is this, you might ask? This is the isinwheel H7. They sent me their new scooter to check out. It features a 1500 watt motor and up to a 43-mile range. And they claim it has a top speed of 35 miles an hour. It offers 4 riding modes, so you can use it for adventure or commuting. The 4 modes top out at 15, 21, 28, and 35 miles an hour respectively. It has a high capacity 48 volt, 15.6 amp hour battery. This iScooter has 15-inch pneumatic tires and dual suspension for a smooth and comfortable ride. That's very important actually when it comes to e-bikes and e-scooters. So it should have excellent stability for all terrains. We're going to check that out. And lastly, it comes with smart NFC keyless access, so you don't have to carry keys around with you, combined with hydraulic disc brakes for enhanced security and reliable stopping power. It's actually a pretty practical commuter design. You've got an upgraded seat, an extra large storage basket, and a beefy frame that supports up to 330 pounds. Heck, that's me plus one of my grandkids, maybe 2 of them. And now I have to assemble it. I've got about an hour to kill, so let's do this. Voila.
You asked, we delivered. Now we have memberships. You can join Wander Wiseley and be a part of our adventure. You can be a weekender, a boondocker, or a wanderer. Each level has different benefits, some of which are seeing our videos early, getting merchandise, or just following along for the adventure. So join. And don't forget to get your Spreco merchandise at the Spreco shop. Show your pride, represent your vehicle, and support Wander Wiseley. We love you.
Palm trees lean side